Right, so hello everyone and welcome back to another Southern Biker video, and once again we are joined by the one and only James.
What's up?
There we go, he actually says hello.
No, I only say hello sometimes, when I feel like it.
Sometimes, and I've just had my bike MOT'd. Right, first of all, how do you feel now?
What do you mean how do I feel now? Oh.
Right, we are off. We'll go look at bikes and get a coffee, so let's go. Go on.
Kids on the bikes!
Yes, lads.
Yes, mate.
Go, go, go. And then yeah, where these kids are just calling them push bikes, we're going in here.
Oh, okay.
A few moments later.
Do you want to have a go? Yeah, go on. Not ride it, you're probably ain't tall enough to ride it, boss, but you can have a sit on it, we'll give it a rev. There we go. You want to have a go? I'm going to hold it for you. Have a good day,
Beer bikes in the future?
Hang on. What was that? Okay, one. Don't want to get kicked out. There we go, look at that! Nah, I ain't tried that yet, but I'm sure I will one day. Right, well, we just had a look around there. Unfortunately, they didn't really want us filming in there, but I did have a look at a Tracer 7, as I do want something touring next, but it's also not that sporty. And then I sat on the MT-09, which I sat on the previous gen, and the new one's a bit more comfortable, so maybe that's something to consider. Anyway, now we're off for a coffee.
Coffee is needed.
And we have no idea what cafe to go to, so we will get back to you shortly once we've got coffee and maybe a cake.
Maybe a cake.
Maybe a cake. Maybe a nice scone, sir.
A scone?
A scone?
A scone? You sure it's not a scone?
A scony scone? Alright, let's go. So we made the long and treacherous trip. It was super dangerous, wasn't it, this trip?
Yeah, a bit.
How long did it take us? A whole 10 seconds?
10 seconds? No, I wouldn't even go that far, actually.
Whoa, more like 5 seconds.
Yeah.
We're really pushing it there.
Yeah.
We've ended up at a Greg's, literally halfway across the road, because we know what we're getting ourselves into with Greg's. Also, would like to point out there's a Costa coffee there, and there's a next over there that you'll notice has a Costa in it. So I guess they need 2 in Malden.
Welcome to Malden. Do you need a Costa?
Do you want a Costa or a next Costa?
I think I need a Starbucks.
Oh, get out, leave. I'm surprised there isn't one here, actually.
Nah.
Unless there's one in the bloody Tesco's over the road.
There is. Oh, fuck me, there's actually another Costa not too far from me as well, either. Now I'm thinking about it. And there's actually, there's a Starbucks not too far.
Fair enough.
Just literally on the main high street over there.
Ah, I forgot to ask, your rundown of the Yamaha dealership, what did you like? Was there anything that caught your fancy in there?
I always like the MTs.
Yep.
Yeah, the MT's always one for me, but I'm going towards the cruisers now, so...
So yeah, you saw the Rebel 500 in the Honda dealer and that was it?
Yeah, I want it. I know, I've done all the research.
Have you completely written off the Hornet 750 then?
Not completely.
They've just released a new one, haven't they, as well?
They have.
Which basically, I don't know how different it is.
It looks gorgeous.
All I know is that the headlight looks different. I don't actually know if they've changed anything internally.
It does really look gorgeous, but after doing a bit more research on the Rebel and seeing how much you can do to it.
You get one of those cheaper as well.
They're a lot cheaper, and I can get just an A2 license instead of going full license. So.
Yes.
But yeah.
Helmets.
Ooh, this looks nice.
Oh yeah, it's good than here. I mean, admittedly it says customer parking there, but fuck it, I'll park it here. They've got some really nice bikes in there. They do a sports tour actually that I generally like the look of.
Oh yeah.
I'll tell you what, that's fucking nice. Oh, what's that next to it?
That in the middle.
Which one? Oh, the cruiser thing. Yeah, they do some nice cruisers in there. I thought you'd like it. Okay, we have arrived at a BMW dealership and we're going to go have a look around. And he's already spotted a cruiser he likes and I've already spotted some Taurus I like. So we're in, boys, we're in.
We're absolutely in.
I don't know if they'll let us film in here, but you know, I might try and sneak a clip or two anyway.
I don't think it'll be a problem.
Yeah, we shall see, boss, we shall see. Alright, we haven't even been inside yet and he's found another love of his life. What is it then?
It's dirty, and I'm not meaning just like sexy, like, just need a bit of clean.
That's the next demonstrator. Fucking hell. Just over 12 grand.
Just can't go with these.
Oh, what, the piston edge, yeah. That is nice.
I mean, I don't want to go too bonkers about cruisers, because so far there's only like one that I really like.
I can't lie.
That is nice.
These two are really, I really like these. Especially the one on the left, but that's like a 1250. That's going to be extreme of a jump.
I like that.
Which one? The right one or the left
The
one?
right one.
Yeah, I like them both. The one on the left I like a little more because it's more sporty. I don't know if I'll be able to afford something like that next, but it's something I would like to consider. But yeah.
What do you reckon? This one's just come out of showroom, sold?
We were sitting on it, weren't he? But now he's sitting on something else, so... Unless it's just someone's bike and they asked him to go, but they've got loads of GS's to be fair. I tell you what, that blue GS is actually lower than I thought it'd be. That's one of the brand new ones, but that might have a lowering kit on it. I think this is a 750 GS. I'd like to have a GS at some point, but I don't think being young, I don't think it's time.
Yeah, alright.
Not yet. Don't you alright me, alright? That's a bit rude.
Being young.
Oh yeah, Mr. 33-year-old.
Oh yeah, remember I'm 33, well done.
I know, I can figure you as 27. Right, let's go and have a bimble inside. And James has just discovered that the Rocket 3 exists. Are you a bit surprised by that engine displacement?
Yeah, no, I was just shocked at that.
We've got loads in there, this is all the second-hand stuff. a load of 310 GSs, but they've got tons in here. Absolutely tons of stuff. And I must admit, I am liking the 750 GS and the... I've got an 850. Where's that gone? Yeah, they've got two 850s there. But I am quite liking the look of one of these. What are these called? XR 900s. Because I don't want a touring bike, but I want something that's still a bit sporty, and that's sort of right on the line. But yeah, they've got absolutely tons of stuff in here. And we shall continue to have a look. I would like one of those next, but I don't know if that's too much of a jump. Then again, who knows? Yep, I certainly have a lot in here. We're just currently in the clothes section having a look, because some of the leather jackets have caught our eyes. But yeah, they've got loads in here. I mean, the guys seem pretty friendly a minute ago, so I'm going to assume they're okay with me filming some stuff. Big old cruisers. It's funny that BMW make things from that to mopeds to GSs, and then obviously the S1000s, which are over in the back over there, which I'll go show you in a minute, because I'm sure someone's going to want to see them. And here we are, all of the sports bikes. S1000 RRs and the S1000Rs. I think I'm getting those names right. That one-piece suit is nice. They've got loads of stuff. I came in here last year and they only had like one or two of these, and now they've got loads. And they've just updated these again. Huh? Well, you've got Euro 5.5. That jacket, I love that jacket.
Yeah, that's wicked.
You've got Euro 5.5 coming out, haven't you? So they've got to get everything to comply for that. That black one's quite nice as well. Whenever I see someone touring on a bike as well, it's always a BMW. Let's be real. Although a Triumph Tiger, the new 800 Tiger looks interesting. What about that one there? I don't know what colour you'd call that. That's sort of a cruiser.
Like a wine.
Yeah, wine. We'll call it dark wine colour.
See, these are grown.
Oh, what the GS is?
Yeah, I wouldn't say them on the way for sure.
They are nice. They've just actually unveiled a concept for a 450 GS at EICMA, so they're doing it. They're going to make a bigger one from the 310. Yeah, there's loads in there. Right, and with that, I think we're ending the night off at the Angel Inn with a drink.
It's a good one.
It was a good one. It's been a fun day. We've looked at probably shitloads of bikes.
Tons of things that we can't afford.
Huh?
Tons of things that we can't afford.
Literally. Oh.
Overall, I enjoyed it.
It's been a good day, I mean, the bikes are right there, so keep an eye on them. But yeah, thanks for watching. I don't think there'll be anything else after this, but if there is, I'll put it in. I don't know why I just flipped the camera so much. I do apologise. I'll probably give some motion sickness again, like that fucking Superbike video I did. Alright, ta-ta everyone. Ta-ta.